of the previous.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What's good, everyone? Today we are in downtown Toronto, and it's snowing pretty bad. As you guys can see right there, I'm in the Well, and we're gonna head out and take some photos. I can't even open my eyes right now. It's really bad. But yeah, let's head out. God, this is fucking crazy. It's windy as fuck. It's cold. It's perfect weather for photography. This is nice. I've never been out in a snowstorm, and yeah, I really wanted those photos, so I got out today, and yeah, let's head towards some trams and see if I can get some nice compositions. And we will also be testing the weather sealing of the A7V, which is really good because I wanted to test that anyways. A7 III had a really resilient body, so I wanted to make sure that A7V has the same. Man, these are fucking great shots. So I'm shooting on the A7V paired with the Sigma 24-70 f2.8, and I also have my A7 III, which I paired it with 85.4. So it'll be fun. Let's shoot. Heading towards downtown Toronto, towards the Union, and I will go into the financial district towards the City Hall and see if I can get some cool shots on the snow. I see a really good shot. Right there, that lady with the dog is looking really good. And this person. And that lady right there. So we're walking toward Gardner on Spadina. And that man is looking. Oh, right there. I'm going to walk a little closer because I have the 24-70 on. And oh wow, that's great. These are good shots. I hope I can get something similar with people walking in front of the trains. Okay, I'll get that lady walking towards the... Nice. The subject tracking is is helping me out a lot, because right now I can't even touch my screen. That's how cold my hands are. So we have a train coming towards me, so let's see if I can get that. All I know is that it should. Okay, that was a good shot. That was a nice reflection. I'm hoping for someone to walk towards this building, because as you guys can see, the shot is phenomenal. Oh wow, this is even better. I'm more interested in this shot right here. As you guys can see, that guy is walking towards that building. When he gets to the center, that's the silhouette shot that I was looking for, and I got it. I particularly love this composition because it cuts the frame diagonally like this, and that creates tons of visual interest. Even this right here, this shot right here would look cool, as well as this alleyway shot, as you guys can see over there. But as the time comes towards 6 o'clock, I will start thinking about all the shots that I should have gotten today. Oh wow, this is even better. Alright, as long as that flag is hard. So we are at Union Station, and that's one of the best places to shoot in downtown Toronto, and no better place to test out the A7V. Walk behind me. So like that. So taking a shot like that is much better than shoving the camera in people's faces, because it might even ruin somebody's day. So gotta choose your moments, guys. Gotta choose your moments. That's a good shot. Nice. Recording. It's still recording. Alright. There's some of the walk out amazing shots right here, but I just want to do some comparison shots as well. Oh, nice. That is perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. Sometimes the autofocus hits the spots that you don't want to hit, so what I would suggest for you guys to go into AFMF, and you go into your focus area, or no, subject recognition, dual recognition target, and inside auto you can always deselect the things that you don't want the camera to recognize. So I have deselected the car and train because the autofocus on A7V has a bias towards cars. So when I'm on the streets, clearly goes right to the cars instead of going to humans. So that's why I have deselected it, so you guys can do the same. Yeah, I can see it goes right on that eye. Beautiful.